Good morning, everyone, and happy Sabbath day. Today, I will share the highlights of the activities of Bayugan Adventist Learning Center Incorporated. These activities show how our school helps students grow in knowledge, character, and faith in God. Our school year started in June 2025. Students came back to school with excitement and joy to see their classmates and meet their teachers again. On the first day of school, we learned our classroom rules and prepared ourselves for a new year of learning. On July 25th, we celebrated Nutrition Month. During this activity, we learned the importance of eating healthy foods, such as fruits and vegetables. Some students participated in programs and presentations that reminded us to take care of our bodies. Our teachers also taught us that our bodies are the temple of God, so we should always choose healthy food and practice good habits. On August 27th, we celebrated Buwan ng Wika. This activity helped us appreciate the Filipino language and culture. Students wore traditional Filipino clothes and participated in different presentations, such as poems, songs, and short performances. Through this celebration, we were reminded to be proud of our language and respect our Filipino culture and traditions. On August 30th, we celebrated Adventist Education Day. This special day reminded us of the importance of Christian education. We thanked God for our school, where we learn not only academic subjects, but also Bible teachings and good character. Our teachers guide us to grow in wisdom and to have a closer relationship with Jesus. On September 12th, we had our first Recognition Day. On this day, students were recognized for their hard work and good performance in their studies. Awards were given to students who did their best in class. This activity encouraged all students to study well, be responsible, and always give their best in everything they do. From September 15th to 19th, we had our week of prayer. During this week, we listened to inspiring messages from the Bible. The speakers shared stories and lessons that helped us understand God's love. We also sang songs, prayed together, and were encouraged to grow closer to Jesus in our daily lives. On September 30th, we celebrated Adventurer and Pathfinder Day. Students who are part of these clubs participated in different activities. These clubs teach us important values such as leadership, discipline, teamwork, and service to others. On October 3rd, we celebrated World Teachers' Day. This was a special time for students to show appreciation to our teachers. We thank them for their patience, kindness, and dedication in teaching us every day. On October 29th, we celebrated the United Nations celebration. Students dressed in costumes representing different countries around the world. Through this activity, we learned about different cultures, traditions, and nations. It reminded us that even though people come from different countries, we can live in peace, unity, and respect for one another. From November 23rd to 28th, we held our Children's Crusade. This was a very special spiritual activity in our school. Children listened to Bible messages that taught us more about Jesus and his love for us. Through songs, stories, and lessons, we were encouraged to follow Jesus and grow in our faith. On December 17th, we had our year-end program. Students presented songs, dances, and other performances to celebrate the blessings of the year. It was also a time to thank God for guiding our school throughout the year. From January 12th to 16th, 2026, we had another week of prayer. This activity helped us begin the new year by strengthening our faith in God. We were reminded again to trust Jesus, read the Bible, and pray every day. On February 12th, we celebrated Family Day. This was a fun and exciting event where students and parents joined different games and activities. It helped strengthen the relationship between families and the school. We were reminded that families are a special blessing from God and that love and unity should always be present in our homes. On March 25th, 2026, we had our 15th moving up ceremony for nursery and kindergarten. On this day, we celebrate another milestone our young learners have achieved. It is also a beginning of another step in their journey in Adventist education. All these activities show that Bayugan Adventist Learning Center Incorporated is not only a place for learning academic lessons, but also a place where students grow in faith,